To one of the biggest bird flu outbreaks in over 10 years, egg prices are soaring while the stock is dwindling. We checked the prices of several local supermarket chains here in the Wiregrass. At one store, we found a dozen eggs for $8 and 6 eggs for just under $5. While at another grocery store, a dozen sold for just over $6 and 4 eggs sold for $2. Winn-Dixie and Dothan even put up a sign warning people that the availability of eggs is limited, saying they are trying to keep their best to keep their shelves stocked. One resident says he understands why the price of eggs is high and he hopes it goes down soon.
Egg prices are a little bit higher now, but we understand that there's a lot of things going on in the world that can cause that, but hopefully they go back down soon.
Now, the average price of a dozen eggs across the country hit $4.15 in December, but the Agriculture Department predicts that the egg prices are going to soar another 20% this year.